Hello, in front of me I've got UleFone Armor 17 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi and then enter YouTube app. Now press the screencast button located on the top of the screen, select your TV, and now when devices are connected, you can play any music you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. And that's basically it. If you want to disconnect your smartphone from the TV, again press this button and select disconnect. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.